Hi friends, welcome to Math Mind Logic. This is a rather interesting problem. Let's try to solve it together. 5 raised to the power x is given as square root of x raised to the power 25. Write this as x raised to the power half into 25. This becomes 5x x raised to the power 25 divided by 2. Now let's take a square both the side. So this will become 5x square equal to x raised to the power 25 by 2 square. We have 5 raised to the power 2x as x raised to the power 25. This can also be written as 5 square raised to the power x as x raised to the power 25. 5 square will be 25 raised to the power x and here x raised to the power 25. If we compare the base and exponential, both give same result x as 25. For more such videos, please like, subscribe and share.